Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now Umangwave and Umawande in the building, and I think they were invited to a talent show and she went there to support her daughter. I think it's a dancing competition, probably based in Durban, I assume. And she was there speaking and motivating them, and also letting the people know that she was there to support her daughter. When her daughter told her that she wanted to do this, she was on board and was more than willing to support her daughter. And I'm just like, we need parents like this. Honestly, we do need parents like this. Like, I feel like everything that this child wants to do, the mother is behind her. Like, literally, this Miss Mseleku is literally doing a good job here. And remember how shy she was on dancing on the last season. I feel like she gained her confidence. And believe me, if you have parents that support you like this, oh my god, the sky is not the limit. Oh my god, she's gonna go beyond that, believe me.
Njengoba kuzodanswa namhlanje ucelile ukuthi ma ngicela ungikhaphe nge-bed center usisinosi ujelile usikuyadansa ngathi girl ngihlezi ngikusupport, I'm behind you whatever oyenzayo. Bazali ngiyacela ukuthi bandla siyisupporteni ingane zethu whatever bafuna ukwenza noma ngathiwa yini. Umdanso ukubona it means a lot. Umawande nje ekhaya ukazivalela ekamereni lakhe uthi uyangena nje kusho ingoma uyazidansela yedwa nalo YouTube wabo ke osewafika uwenza lama-challenge akhona. Ngiyabasupporta lento yenziwa la ekhaya namhlanje ngiyayisupporta. Umntanami ngiyamsupporta konke afuna ukwenza. Nani bazali ngicela nisupporte iy'ngane zenu ziyayi-enjoya lento eziyenzayo. I think futhi kubavikela ekutheni benza izinto angabe bayazenza ngaphandle bagxile kulento. So if besibanikeza uthando sibanikeza isupport, ngicabanga ukuthi kukhulu abazokwenza or mhlambe bangaze baba ama-professional dancers kusasa, we don't know. Kodwa ke si behind bona. Ngithi enjoyani usuku lanamhlanje ngiyabonga.